Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Azayan Nareswari Fidelia Abudi. My name is 452424 066. I'm from Class A, Study Program Geological Engineering. This is my presentation assignment from lecturer Kustiawan Sukamto, SPD MT. For the first, I will move with introduction. This time I will discuss the relationship between chemical and geology. Basic chemistry has very important relationship with geological process because the two interact in various ways that determine the formation and change of geological materials on Earth. This is based on two explanation about these two sciences. Chemistry is the study of matter which includes the structure, arrangement, properties, and change of matter and the energy that accompanies it. Meanwhile, geology is the science that studies the earth and everything in it, including the composition, structure, and process that occur in it. Topic number one is weathering and erosion. We start with weathering. Weathering is an event that destroys rock masses, either physically, chemically, or biologically. The process of rock weathering takes a very long time. All weathering processes are generally influenced by weather. Rock that have undergone a weathering process will turn into soil. There are three types of weathering that occur. One, physical weathering, two, chemical weathering, and three, biological weathering. In weathering, several chemical reactions occur, one of which is carbonization. Carbonization is term for the conversion of organic substance into carbon or carbon-containing residues through pyrolysis or destructive distillation. Example of carbonation in weathering are the formation of caves, stalactites, and stalagmites. Carbonation is a chemical weathering process that occurs when rainwater containing carbon dioxide react with mineral in rocks. This is erosion. Erosion is condition of the erosion of the Earth's surface by forces that involve the removal of objects such as flowing water, ice, wind, and wave of currents. The surface on the Earth crust will always experience an erosion process. In some places there will be erosion while in other places there will be accumulation. So that its shape will always change through time. This event occurs naturally and occurs very slowly, so that consequences only appear after decades or even hundreds of years. Topic number two is mineral formation. Mineral is homogeneous solid substance that is formed in nature or occurs naturally and generated through an anorganic process and has certain chemical composition and certain atomic arrangement. In the formation of mineral, the process of crystallization of magma occurs, namely the process of cooling the magma. At this time, the atoms move randomly in the liquid and are connected to each other in form of a regular crystal structure. I have two example of mineral. First, quartz with the chemistry reaction SiO2 or silicate. Correct me if I'm wrong. And two is albeit is natrium Al SaO2 or natrium aluminum silicate. Sorry, for the next is a rock cycle. In the rock cycle, every cycle that occur always involve chemical process in it. The following are chemical processes that occur in the rock cycle. First, crystallization. In the process, the magma cools and begins to form rocks, namely igneous rocks. Number two is weathering. The weathering process in rocks can occur due to physical and chemical reaction between rocks and the interaction of air, water, and certain organisms. 3. Erosion. In this rock cycle, waters play the largest role in the rock cycle. Flowing water, for example from a river, can transfer rock weathering materials to other places. This is concept of the rock cycle from volcanic eruption into the igneous rock, from igneous rock into sediment, from sediment into sedimentary rock, from sedimentary rock into metamorphic rock, from metamorphic rock into magma, and from magma into a volcanic eruption again. This is a rock cycle. Uh, this is This is rock the result from the rock cycle. We have igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Next is sample case. There are many real examples of the application of chemistry in geology. This is an example of a real application, namely research on metal content in its material. The metal content in the earth varies greatly. Some are reactive, not very reactive, and even non-reactive. This is of course chemistry in analyzing the types of metal on Earth. Challenge of geologists. There are many challenges that geologists will face in using chemistry to understand geological process. Let's take just two examples, such as air pollution and dangerous chemicals. These two things are included in environmental pollution. We cannot deny that is something that deserves our attention and consideration in order to maintain the existing ecosystem. The solution of these two challenges is one, prevent, prevention of environmental pollution at mining sites, two, environmental research and analysis before program implementation, three, periodic checking and monitoring. 4. Processing waste remaining from company activities. 5. Avoid protect and conservation zone. 6. Implementation of reclamation. This is my reference for my presentation assignment. So this is end for my presentation assignment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.